In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your Steam library with another Steam account. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first, obviously go ahead and make sure that you have Steam opened up. And what you're going to want to do is actually click Steam up in the very top left. And from here, it's going to pop up with a pop-up. Go ahead and select settings towards the bottom, and then it's going to pull up your Steam settings. On this left-hand sidebar over here, go ahead and select family. And from here, go ahead and click create or just join a Steam family, and then choose create a family. Give your family a name, press create again, and from here, you'll have the option to manage your Steam family. Open this up, and now you can actually invite members. Now, they will need to be on your friends list first, so if they aren't, find this little friends tab up here and add them as a friend. But after adding them as a friend, and once they have accepted your friend request, go ahead and return to this family settings page and press invite member. From here, go ahead and search friend list, select their name on here, and it's going to send them an invite, and they'll see a notification up in the top right where notifications usually go here on Steam. Once they go ahead and accept that invite, they will officially be on your Steam family, and when they check their games, titles from your library are now going to appear labeled from Steam Family Library. All they have to do is install them and play them, and just like that, you've now successfully shared your Steam library. Overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, ask us down in the comment section below. But before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.